GIDS is Pakistan's biggest defense company. It's a group, and we have got 12 factories and 12 companies that work for us. And we were established in the year 2007, and so far we have exports across the world, and we've got active exports to about 18 countries, and we are expanding it to about 36 countries in the next 2 to 3 years. So this time we have a big participation in this World Defense Show, which is very important to us because this market is very important to Pakistan as a company, because it represents the entire Middle East, not only the Saudi market but other countries also. So at this level, we are bringing some of the major technologies. We are into advanced technology, so here at the stall, you can see a lot of stand-up weaponry. Behind me, the camera can show some of the air-launched cruise missiles that we are offering, the range extension kits for the Air Force, which have empowered the Pakistani Air Force in battle and have earned it victory battle after battle, alhamdulillah. So apart from that, we are Pakistan's biggest drone developers also. So 30 years we have invested in developing our drones from the ground up, literally all the technologies. So now the latest is the Shahpar 3, which is a big male class UAV, has a 65 feet wingspan, and it can carry about 10 weapons. So it can carry cruise missiles and torpedoes, laser guided bombs, a lot of diversity. So that product is being developed to empower our Air Force and the Navy for doing air reconnaissance and maritime missions. Also, it is being exported to friendly customers, clients across the world. Some of the other products are the long-range missiles that we are developing. This is a hypersonic weapon we have unveiled. It's called the Smash. So Smash is a naval-launched missile, so it goes 50 kilometers in the upper hemisphere on hypersonic speeds and then comes down doing unpredictable maneuvers to fool the enemy's air defense systems, and it can take down ships and targets as well. Then we have Fateh 2. Fateh 1 and 2 are now very famous systems used in combat. So again, Fateh 2 is also a hypersonic weapon, can take out any target. It is very hard to be intercepted by air defenses. We have got the Fateh 1, which is a shoot and scoot weapon. You can launch 8 weapons in one direction without changing an aim. Pinpoint accuracy, less than 5 meters, you fire and you change position. So a lot of weapons, we got loitering munitions. It's a very big company, a lot of diverse products that we are offering to the outside world. We are iron brothers, Pakistan and Turkey, and I don't need to redefine the kind of relationship we already have. Both the countries have very strong defense industries, and I am glad that since the last 5 years we have come very close to each other. We are standing by each other in times of conflict also, and we are very appreciative of the Turkish industry and the Turkish government. Both the industries are collaborating. SSB, Gates and many other companies are collaborating at various levels. Also, you've heard of the fighter jet collaboration. So I'm sure in the next 5 and 10 years you'll see a lot of collaboration between both the countries, even at the grassroots level.